Welcome to the Pixelated Video FAQ. Today's question, how do you set up a photo booth on a budget? For setting up a photo booth on a budget, we have two suggestions. First, choose a location with good lighting and a plain background. Then, use a digital camera or a smartphone with a tripod to take photos. Finally, create some DIY props such as cardboard signs or funny hats to add some fun and creativity to the photos. Alternatively, consider using a self-service photo booth rental kit, which typically includes a camera and a tablet or kiosk, backdrop, and props. These kits are significantly cheaper than hiring a professional photo booth service and can be easily set up and operated by anyone. With some basic DIY skills, you can even customize the backdrop and props to fit the theme of your event. By using a rental kit, you can still have a fun and memorable photo booth experience without breaking the bank.